Hello everyone, I'm Deepthi of class 10 from Vishakhapatnam. I'm an IIT aspirant and would like to crack the Indian Administrative Services. So, first, before introducing my app, I would like to thank all the hackathon members for giving me this opportunity, wonderful opportunity to learn new things because I do not know coding at all. I do not know even the basics. So after coming to this hackathon, after participating, I learnt a lot. So let me show my educational app. It is a fully functional educational app. So let me show it. Now the name of my app is Learn On. So welcome to Learn On. Let me show the preview of my app. I introduced many colors also because it will be very interesting for the students to learn like this. So let's start learning. I've introduced a login screen for the students to log in. So I'll type my email ID now. So I almost completed typing my email ID. Next will be my password. I type my password. Next I'll sign in. If I sign in, it will directly go into the app. But as I typed my email wrong, it will show like this. So let me check my email. At gmail.com I didn't type, so it's showing that way. It is just to show you how it shows. So let's sign in. It will directly go into the app after we sign in. So I introduced 4 modes, that is study, challenge, stress busters and learning. So first we'll go to study. I went to challenge a minute, and I introduced a navigator also, so that it will be very easy for the student to switch to other modes. So as said, we'll go to study. So in study there are all this. First we'll see NCRT solutions. It also has ICSE solutions. I introduced this because it is very important for the student to know the solutions of what he or she has done. So I introduced in the form of PDFs. So it is very easy to see even. So we'll go back. Next is tricks. A student should also know the tricks to solve problems so that it will help to increase their capability of doing it will increase the speed. So let's see one multiplication trick. A tab will open like this. So I'll close this tab now. We'll go back to our Thunkable. We are back. Now we'll go back. Next, after tricks is audiobooks. I introduced audiobooks in the form of videos so that it will introduce the learning skills, the reading skills, the speaking skills, as well as their concentration. Now let me play a video and show it to you. Like this, as a normal video it will play. You can always mute it or even reduce the volume. It is also available on full screen mode like this. You can also again minimize it like any normal video. So these are the videos. I uploaded some videos. We'll go back. Next is flashcards. The basic concept of behind flashcards is like the summary of every lesson, because the summary of every lesson helps the students to memorize better. So this also I introduced in the form of PDFs. We'll go back. Next is assignments. I introduced this because it is very important for a student to complete his or her assignments given by the teacher. So it's just a basic idea. Next is reference books. Reference books are very important, as a student should refer to other books also, and the student will be able to explore many other questions relating to that topic. Like for example, R.D. Sharma for maths, all-in-one science, and then all-in-one English. These are reference books. We'll go back. Next is bookmarks. Bookmarks is like the important questions for every chapter, so that it will be very helpful for the student to refer to the important questions just before the exam. So we'll go back. Next is vocabulary. Vocabulary is also very important. I felt that vocabulary is very important as a student. Therefore, I kept this. It has today's idioms and words, and every day it will be updated. It has many new things to learn, so it will be fun. Next is appendix. I introduced this in the form of PDFs. Appendix is nothing but extra information from every chapter that helps the student to explore more other than than their textbook. So you can scroll them, then back. So the most important, and to say actually the most fun part, is text to speech. This is actually the pronunciation part. Like if a student has any difficulty in the pronunciation of some words, I kept this, so it's very interesting. If a student doesn't know how to spell pneumonia, I just typed it and I'll press read aloud. Pneumonia. This is what, it's very interesting. It helps the student improve their speaking skills. Next we'll go to stress busters. In stress busters are they are very necessary because it will help the student to improve their mood. First we'll see brain teasers like this. There'll be everyday brain teasers, and then did you know facts like this. And next is mnemonics. Mnemonics is nothing but like for example, if someone has to remember different planets, then it's like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, something like this. Then there's an easy way to remember, like my very educated mother just served us noodles. The starting letter of this, like it should be considered so that it will be very easy for the student to remember. Next is inspiring quotes. In inspiring quotes, it helps the student to memorize better. I mean, not memorize better, but it just means like sorry, it does not mean it. It actually helps the students to motivate. It gives an inspiration to the students, so it's very helpful for the students. If they are demotivated or something, they can just come here and motivate themselves and go. Next is current affairs. Current affairs are very important for a student because a student should know what all are happening around him. So I introduced current affairs also. So like it's like this. We'll go back. So this is what is stress busters. Next, we'll go to learning. In this learning, there are live lectures, doubt sessions, nano courses, and AR videos. First, we'll go to live lectures. Live lectures, as seen before, I introduced videos like this. So they are like the normal videos. They can be played as I showed you before. So we'll go back. Next is doubts. Doubts are very important for a student. Like all the doubts of a student should necessarily be cleared. So like for example, if I type some doubt, then it'll be, if you have to save it. Then when the teacher comes here, the teacher will type the answer for it and save it, and then we can go back now. We completed doubts. Next is doubt sessions. Doubt sessions, I introduced this because it helps the students to learn concepts very well because doubt sessions capture all the different difficult topics in a subject so that it will be very easy for them. Next is nano courses. In nano courses, the main objective of this is that specialized and personalized learning for each student, that is, it will be one-to-one. So it will be very helpful. So I introduced nano courses like this. We'll go back. Next is AR videos. The main concept behind these AR videos is that AR videos is augmented reality videos. It is like animated and 3D, so that it'll be really helpful for the students to remember the lessons. Like for example, I'll play something. As I showed you, it can also be shown on full screen, and then it's like this. You can pause, you can go anywhere, and then that's it. We'll go back. We completed all this, and the remaining part is dictionary. As a student, I always wanted a dictionary in my educational app, so I introduced web search. You can fast search your words. Like for example, I pressed web search, so Google will get open. See, Google has opened. So I'll close it. I'll go to our app. So in this way, you can fast search your words. So at last we completed our learning. Next, the actually most interesting part for me is challenge. Let me go to quizzes first. I struggled a lot for doing this as it is a functional quiz. If I press attempt now, the question is, how do plants respire? The answer is stomata. So let me type it. Stomata. So if I press submit, it shows correct. So I struggled a lot for this. I also made it student friendly. Like um, it is not specified. You can even type it in capitals. Even then it will show correct, because it will be helpful for the students, easy for the students. So that is it. We'll go back now. Next is contests. Contests, like for example, we have our hackathon. Like that, big contests, like whatever are there, they'll be shown here. So it'll be nice with fun prizes and everything. So it'll be nice. So that's it. That is my app. But as said before, I wanted to show my blocks for the first screen. I'll show it. Let me go to the blocks because I struggled a lot for it. I just have to show it. For screen 1, let me show you the blocks. A minute. These are the blocks. They'll load. See, these are the blocks. This is for sign up. This is for sign up. This whole block is for sign up, and the next block is for sign in. I'll minimize it. This whole block is for sign up, and this is for sign in, and that's it. And that's it. That is my app. So hope you like my app. Thank you very much. I once again would like to thank the members for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.